Hi guys, this is Esther Young. Today I'm going to show you how to create the base of the column, and in next video I will also show you how to create the top of the column. So first of all, we need to create a new family file, and I'll use column as the base. Right now we already have some reference planes and also some center line going through. What we can start doing is to create the exclusion. And make sure that you do pick line and lock so that when you select a line on the reference plane, it will automatically lock it. And then I'll do trim by TR. And let's say I want the exclusion to be 3 feet. Hit apply and hit OK. So let's see the result. Pretty good. And now I want to create the base cap of the column. By doing so, we'll need to create a new reference plane. I'll just do offset this time by 4 inches from the base of the column. Okay. After the reference planes are created, what you're going to do next is to name them so that you can know which one it belongs to. So if I click on these ones, they already have their individual names. For example, this one is called right, this one is called left, and front and back. So those ones are the original default family, and I can go along with the same idea of typing in base cap, if I can type. Right for the right side, base cap, left for the left side, and base cap. What I can do is I can copy and paste later as well. Let's see, the back, and this one also base cap, front. So if you want them to, there are weak reference, strong reference, or left, right, back, front, bottom, and top. Those one is talking about how you can pick select the object and to be able to move or rotate the object that way. So I'll rename them as weak reference because we wouldn't want to pick those lines. Then we're ready to create the exclusion. Use the pick line again, make sure it's locked. And then trim. Now looks like it's pretty good. Then I'll probably set this as 4 inches tall. Hit OK. Now we're almost done, not quite, because we still need to have it to be dynamic. Under family types, you can see that it has width and depth, and that is controlled by this too. And they are the parameters that exist. And right now we can create new ones. So let's say I want to go from this side to that side, this side to that side. Okay. Now click on one of the, or the one that is at the bottom, and then when you press on this button, because right now there's only 2 labels and we need to create a new label, I can do base cap width, and hit OK. And then I can do the same thing as that one, except I will change it into depth. Awesome. Now we're almost done. What I'm gonna do is to, let's say you're in your project already and you want to change the size of the column, then you have to change 4 things. Since the width would be associated with the base cap depth, I'm gonna put a formula that would make it easier that way. So by depth plus 8 inches, they will be associated, same as the width plus 8 inches, and hit OK. And apply, hit OK again. Now if I try to do 1, not yet. There is one more thing that we need to do, is to center the column. So from here to the center, and from here, we need to equal it, and then from here to the center, from here, we'll also need to equal it. Then we're ready to go and give it a try. So let's say I want this to be 1. Okay, they changed together. And then I want this to be 1. Awesome. Here it is.